Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, hold the power key and then select power off. Just try that again, there we go. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Redmi logo, you can let go. And as you can see, you should now be in recovery mode. And in this mode you will need to use the volume keys to navigate, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, as you can also see, this mode doesn't really include many options. You have wipe data, basically wipe data and that's it. Reboot and connect with Mi Assistant, which is through computer. So I'm gonna reboot the device, reboot to system, and simply leave this mode now. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.